Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna add a couple more photos from the Fujifilm. Let's get started, and the first thing I'm gonna do is double check the profile. You can see that we can use the classic chrome profile if you don't want too much of saturation, or we can start with the pro. So let's try the classic chrome in this one so that it's consistent. Just have the retro feel in here. And then let's do some retouching. Smooth the skin a little bit in here. Okay, and then increase the light. Let me see, double check the yellow and then the blue. Okay, and then do a 4:5 crop. Make sure that align with this line parallel to the line right there, or if you don't want it, you can just crop it so that it's tighter feel in here. Okay, so that's good. And then if you want to try the enhanced detail, let's try how's the enhanced detail going, because the enhanced detail is supposed to enhance the look. So enhance without enhance it. So it's the pixel is smaller, so let me try the enhanced detail in this case. Okay, so after it finished, it created an enhanced detail PNG file, and I'm gonna do a portraiture 3 on top of this DNG file. Okay. The good thing is that the DNG file retains the profile of that. So let me export it out. What I was saying is, in the enhanced detail DNG file, you can still choose all the raw profile. You can change up also, so that's good thing. And make sure that your Lightroom Classic is up to date so that you can have a latest profile. So after I export it out, let's check on the other one. So let's see, this one I think we need a warmer tone in here, and then let me adjust the patching. Okay, so after the edit, I'm going to reduce the exposure a little bit more. I'm gonna do the soften the skin around the eye area also. Okay, overall it's very good. And the other thing I noticed is there's some distraction on the side right here. I'm gonna fix it a little bit. And then patch this whole thing right here. Okay, once it's patched, I'm gonna smooth this area so that it is smoother, and then add it a little bit more crop in here. So the back, I'm gonna reduce the green a little bit more. Okay, that's good. And then do a portraiture 3 for this one. Select the skin color. And then export it out. The next one I'm gonna do, first thing, reduce the yellow because I can see too much yellow in the back. Now do some quick skin retouching. Okay, so that's good. And then there's a little bit of dot to distract it right here. There's one right here. Okay, so everything's good. Some minor details I need to patch it out. Okay. There's some green thing right here. Let me reduce the green. You can see the difference right here. Reduce the green. And then the blue also. For the ground, you can see the ground changing the color. Anyway, we are gonna crop it out a little bit. Okay. Okay, so that's good. And then do a portraiture 3 before I do the export it out to my local folder. So once the portraiture 3 generated, and then I select the skin color. So let me select the skin color like this, and then once this is done, I'm gonna export this out. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.